Philippines. It's more fun in the Philippines.
It's more fun in the Philippines.
The Philippines is where you want to be. It's how you call it? They say my place is Naga, is the maugmang lugar. But right now it's a happy place.
Manglugara?
Maugmang
Mang?
ma
Ma?
ug
U?
mang
Mang? U?
maugmang
Mang?
lugar.
Lugar.
Yeah, that's Naga
It means
City.
happy place.
Yeah, it's a happy place. It's the place to be in right now.
Philippines.
Philippines is one of the best countries in the world.
Best countries in the world.
Go ahead and visit. Go to Bicol. Go to Naga, Sorsogon. You'll love everything about Bicol. See you around.
Is actually Bulusan Lake. They call it the New Zealand of the Philippines. So they call it the New Zealand of the Philippines because of the scenery. They have a very nice
really
scenery.
greenery.
Yeah, and then
They said to sit there. We're gonna take a picture again. That's Filipino thing. We take a picture like Brazilian
Okay,
times.
we'll come back after this.
Thank you.